In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. This is a quick, fundamental skill that keeps your designs consistent and tidy, and it only takes a moment once you know what to look for. First, start by selecting the icon you want to change. Click directly on the icon in your canvas to highlight it. If your icon is part of a group or a component, keep an eye on the selection outline. You want the full icon's bounding box to appear with the resize handles around it, not just a single path or layer inside. If your first click selects a smaller part, click again until the entire icon shows that clear rectangular outline. You can also confirm the selection in the Layers panel on the left. Choosing the top-level icon layer helps ensure you're resizing everything together. With the icon selected, use the border of the bounding box to resize it. Hover over any corner until your cursor changes to the diagonal resize handle, then click and drag to scale the icon up or down. Dragging from a corner helps preserve the overall proportions so your icon doesn't look squashed or stretched. If you prefer to change only one dimension, use the side handles on the left, right, top, or bottom, but be mindful that stretching in a single direction can distort the design. As you drag, watch the on-canvas size tooltip so you can land on clean, whole numbers. Crisp, even dimensions often produce sharper results, especially for small UI icons. A couple of quick checks will keep things looking professional. After resizing, zoom in to make sure edges remain sharp and aligned to the pixel grid. If the icon uses strokes or effects, give them a glance. Some designs look better when stroke thickness stays consistent after scaling, while others are intended to scale proportionally. If your icon sits inside a frame with auto layout or constraints, resizing it might affect spacing around it. That's normal. Just make sure the surrounding layout still looks balanced after the change. If you go too big or too small, no worries. Simply drag the corner again to fine-tune the size. And remember, it's easier to maintain clarity when scaling modestly, so try to avoid extreme jumps unless the vector quality fully supports it. That's all there is to it. Click to select the icon, then use the border handles to resize with confidence. Practice this a couple of times, and it'll become second nature, helping you keep your designs clean, consistent, and perfectly sized.